This is a quick video on carbon monoxide poisoning, the sources of, and how to install a carbon monoxide sensor or alarm. On the 20th of December 2015, our daughter Emily passed away from carbon monoxide poisoning. We had not shared the dangers of it with her, nor was there an alarm where she was at. We bought this carbon monoxide alarm sensor from Lowe's. Cost $28. It's very simple. Has a plug and a battery backup. It already came with AA batteries. This tab was inside. Pull the tab, battery backup works. You can twist the plug to install it however you need it. It also came with instructions, and it came with 4 stickers, 2 in English, 2 in Spanish. I put this above where I'm going to install the alarm. It's now installed. It took me 30 seconds to put up the sticker and the alarm. Inside our garage, we have a generator, pressure washers, a 4-wheeler, a trailer that has 2 lawnmowers, a pressure washer, different things of lawn equipment, all of which cause carbon monoxide. By installing this sensor, should any of this be active and on and create levels that are dangerous, the alarm will go off. $28. Any hardware store, Walmart, get it off the internet, Amazon, eBay. Could potentially save your life or the lives of your family.